Welcome back to the channel. We're back today with a fresh batch of top-selling essential car gadgets designed to make your driving experience safer, smarter, and more comfortable. All product links are listed in the description below. So let's jump right in. Flat tires don't wait for perfect timing. The Wagan Smart Air Compressor is a compact lifesaver that plugs into your 12-volt outlet and delivers accurate inflation with its digital gauge and auto shut-off. It features a built-in LED light for nighttime emergencies and stores easily in your trunk, whether it's tires, balls, or inflatables. This is one of those tools that proves its worth the moment you need it. Dead battery? Skip the cables and reach for the NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter. It packs 1,000 amps of starting power, reviving dead batteries fast, even in freezing weather. With spark-proof technology, an integrated flashlight, and USB ports for charging devices, it's more than a jump starter. It's your emergency power station. Compact, powerful, and reliable. This is the kind of backup you'll always want riding shotgun. Know what's happening under the hood with the ANCEL AD310OB D2 scanner. It plugs into your car's diagnostic port to read and clear error codes in seconds. No batteries or apps needed, just real-time data and engine insight on a simple screen. Whether it's a check engine light or routine checkup, it saves time, money, and gives you control before heading to the mechanic. Car washes just got an upgrade with the foam cannon. It connects to your pressure washer to produce a thick, clinging layer of foam that lifts away dirt without scratching your paint. Adjustable flow and spray patterns make it easy to dial in the perfect clean. Just fill with soap, spray, and rinse, turning weekend washes into pro-level detailing sessions from the comfort of your driveway. See what's happening on every drive with the Redtiger 4K cam setup. This dual cam system records sharp footage from both front and rear, capturing clear details day or night. It includes GPS tracking, loop recording, and G-sensor collision detection for full-time protection. Easy to install and dependable in all conditions, it's a silent witness that keeps you covered wherever the road takes you. Just a quick note, all product links so far are available in the description below. Be sure to explore them for pricing and details. Stepping into the cabin, the Syncwire magnetic phone holder keeps your device steady without blocking your vents or cluttering your dash. Its strong N52 magnets hold your phone firmly, even over potholes, while the 360-degree swivel makes it easy to view maps or take calls hands-free. With sleek styling and simple installation, it's one of those everyday essentials that quietly improves your driving experience. Keep your devices juiced with the Anker USB-C car charger. This compact powerhouse offers both USB-A and USB-C ports, delivering fast, optimized charging with PowerIQ 3.0 technology. The aluminum finish and low-profile design give it a premium look, while the subtle LED ring makes it easy to locate at night. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or even a laptop, this charger is up to the task. The Bluetooth FM transmitter gives your older vehicle a smart audio upgrade. Just plug it in and stream music, answer calls, or charge two devices simultaneously. It supports microSD cards and USB drives too, while a built-in LED screen displays frequency and battery voltage. With noise cancellation and crisp audio, it turns your daily drive into a hands-free, music-filled journey. A fresh cabin makes a huge difference. The Smart Car Air Freshener uses motion sensors to release fragrance only when needed, saving battery and extending scent life. It features adjustable intensity settings and charges via USB, offering a modern, clean design that fits any interior. No more overpowering sprays or hanging trees, just long-lasting freshness delivered in a smarter way. Turn your windshield into a control center with this heads-up display. It projects your speed, RPM, and fuel data directly into your line of sight, using your car's OBD2 port. The screen auto-adjusts brightness and keeps your focus on the road ahead. With fast installation and wide compatibility, it's an affordable way to get a futuristic, safety-focused upgrade in any car. All 10 gadgets so far are linked in the description below. Take a moment to browse through and see which ones best fit your ride. Small gap, big problem? Not anymore. The drop-stop car seat gap. Fillers slide into the space between your seat and console, catching phones, keys, or snacks before they vanish. Made from stretchable neoprene, they move with your seat and blend in seamlessly with your interior. Simple, invisible, and effective. This clever add-on keeps frustration out of your daily drive. Keep things tidy with the HOTOR Car Trash Can, a waterproof, leak-proof bin designed for in-car messes. With a flip-top lid, adjustable strap, and side pockets, it's great for storing tissues, wrappers, or even small tools. Hang it behind the seat or place it on the console. Wherever it goes, it keeps clutter contained and your cabin looking clean and organized. Take storage to the next level with the Backseat hanging trunk organizer. It hangs from the back of your rear seats and includes multiple compartments for groceries, tools, and roadside essentials. Built with reinforced stitching and tough materials, it's built to handle weight without sagging. Foldable when not in use, it's a space saver that keeps your cargo area clean and efficient. Need more room up top? The rooftop cargo carrier bag delivers. With 15 or 20 cubic feet of waterproof, tear-resistant storage, it's perfect for road trips, camping, or bulky hauls. It attaches securely to your roof, with or without a rack, and folds neatly into a storage bag when empty. Keep your gear dry, organized, and out of your passenger space, no matter where you're headed. When traction disappears, the Traction Track tire ladder steps in. These rugged grip boards create a reliable path for your tires when stuck in mud, snow, or sand. Lightweight and easy to stack, they're easy to carry, and double as shovels in emergencies. Whether you're an off-roader or just preparing for winter, these are the ultimate tools for self-recovery on unpredictable terrain. To wrap it up, all 15 gadgets featured in today's video are linked below for easy access. Explore them anytime to find out more and pick the right upgrades for your ride. Thanks for watching Car Accessories and Gadgets. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more clever gear, smart upgrades, and driving essentials. Until next time, drive safe and stay prepared.